Hi, good day everyone. This is Vid. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Panoorin nyo maigi to. Ang ganda nito. Okay? We're here in Antipolo. So, inside Kingsville Hills. Maganda to, promise. Panoorin nyo. So, nakita nyo naman, di ba? Single attached siya, good for 2 parking space. Napakaluwag ng parking niya actually. And nakita nyo naman, napakaganda ng ating living area. Double height ceiling. Right? O, ito. Pwede kayo dyang storage. Okay, storage. Then, ito yung ating kitchen area. Napaka-elegante naman talaga. O, yan. O, yung mga naghahanap gusto nyo ng low down payment. 10%. Zero down payment. Pag-usapan po natin. Okay? So, ito may kasama ng induction and range hood. Meron tayong kitchen island dito. Or breakfast nook, kung tawagin siguro. And then, ito yung ating magiging dining area. Ganda. Ganda ng design. Mga modern na modern talaga. Magugustuhan po talaga to. Inyong mga anak or kayo mismo. So, ito yung setback. Alright, so dito, service area. Then doon, mid quarter po, may sariling CR. Yung ating kasambahay. Okay? One more look. Ito yung ating parking space. Laki niya, no? Diba? Laki. Maluwag na maluwag sa dalawang sakyan. Tuloy, kasya pa kahit may big bike kayo, kasyang kasya. Okay? So again, dining area natin to and kitchen area. Ayusin ko lang yung camera natin, ha? Yan. So dining, and then nandito yung ating kitchen area. Then dito may sliding door palabas ng service area. Pero hindi ako dyan dumaan dahil may nakaharap po na trapal. Okay? So dito meron tayong common toilet and bath. Tignan nyo naman. Okay? So naka-shower enclosure na. Right? Then dito meron tayong bedroom sa ground floor. By the way, yung lot area natin dito, lot size is around 150 square meter. If I'm not mistaken, no? Right? So ito, good for a guest room po. May built-in cabinet. Okay? Pero ito talaga yung pinakang highlights. Ang ganda na ito. Yung ating double height ceiling na living area. Ganda, wow. Gusto ko yung design. Minimalist. Okay? Gusto ko yung mga ganito. Simple lang. Pero talagang mamamangha ka. Alright? Then, ito yung kanya chandelier. So, tara. So, dito sa second floor, first bedroom. Alright? We have 3 bedrooms here. And yung master natin ang may sariling or may private bathroom area. Right? Ito yung ating built-in cabinet. Then yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. As you can see, naka-shower enclosure na rin yan. Ha? Yung napaka-elegante nating mirror. Pasintabi. Okay, so second bedroom natin. This is second floor. Siyempre, may built-in cabinet na rin. Okay. Last but not the least is yung ating master's bedroom. Okay, so ito yung size ng ating, or yung space ng ating master's bedroom. Ganda ng space, di ba? Then, ito yung kanyang walk-in closet. Okay. May glass door tayo dyan. And, yung kanyang napaka-eleganting toilet and bath. Ito yung kanyang shower area. Sorry ko na nga. Okay. Para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. Ganda, no? Hotel type. Right? Oh, ito yung space again. Master's bedroom. Then, meron tayong balcony dito na may view. Right? Saan ko lang konti. Oops. So, ito yung balcony natin. May view tayo. Ayan. Okay, so dyan yung feature wall natin. Alright? So again, price natin dito is 15.3 million. Lot area natin is 150 square meter. Kung di ako nagkakamali, confirm ko. Sasama ko doon sa details, sa description area. Pakitignan nyo na lang. Yung 15.3, all in na po tayo doon, ha? Kasama na po yung transfer of title. Then kung gusto nyo ng low down payment, gusto nyo mag-zero down payment, pag-usapan natin. Depende po kasi yan, ha? O, ayan. Again, this is located in Antipolo, inside Kingsville Hills. Message lang po kayo if interested kayo. Nandiyan na may number. Unahan na lang po ito. No? Kung sino una mag-reserve, sa kanya mapupunta yung property. Pero syempre, kailangan pag nag-reserve tayo, sigurado po na ma-approve tayo sa bank. Or if ever, cash payment po tayo. Diba? So that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.